Okay, so I'm going to show you how to work this out. If you don't know the actual wattage of the light bulb that you replace the LED light bulb with that's in your kit, just use 60. I didn't know the number of mine, so I'm using 60. Then we read all this information. Then we're switching on to the next page, which is page 15. So it says here the wattage of incandescent CFL bulb recorded on page 14. It was 60. I placed it here. Multiply by 4. Use a calculator. 60 by 4, or you don't need it. It's 240. You're putting the wattage in hours all the way down here, which is 240.0. That's the amount used per day. And then you're converting that into kilowatts. Remember, for every one watt, it equals 1,000 watts. Okay, so there's always going to be more watts than there is kilowatts. So there's more here, there's less here. I divided 240 by 1,000. That gave me 0.24, or 24 tenths hundredths. Okay. I know that this may be confusing. If it's confusing, don't worry about it. Just, you already know the calculation and place it here. So then you go to the next item where it has these arrow marks. What you're going to do is place this information. It follows you all the way up and you place it here. Okay, so you're placing this is just an example, so that your information will be different. But then you place that 0.24 that I had. You multiply that by 30. The answer is 7.2 kilowatts used per month. Why do I have 30? Because it's the average number of days that a month has. Here's some information, since you should have this, is to show your work here. So you can go ahead and show your work like you do in class. Move the decimal over if needed. So it's 7.2. This 7.2, you're shifting it down, or that answer, you will be shifting it down to this next section. Okay, so I'm going to put 7.2 here. Now, what it's asking me to do is the average cost for 1 kilowatt. Well, the average cost for 1 kilowatt is about 10 cents. So you're going to multiply 7.2 times 0.1, which gives you 0.72. So that's how much it costs for your incandescent light bulb for 1 month. So it's 72 cents per wattage per month. Okay, now you're going to shift over to the next page, because you are going to calculate your new light bulb. So the new light bulb, as shown in the pictures, is 9 wattage of LED compared to like your original 60. So you're going to do the same thing here as you did on the next page. And then what you're going to use is this cost equation, like how much did you save? How much did you save? And you're going to work it out here. Your teachers will have the answer key. So you all are going to do the work, figure it out by yourselves. And if you need help, just ask.